Alright guys, here's my custom Super Mario Kart car, and I'm going to add one more mod to it. Let's drive this bad boy with a Wii steering wheel.
Here we go! Russ, what you doing? Russ, what you doing? Russ, what you doing? Let's find out!
So inside currently I have my NRG custom steering wheel that's a see-through, and we do have our quick disconnect that's set up right here, so we actually take our wheel completely off just like that. So I'm thinking we can take this piece right here and somehow mount the steering wheel to it, so then we can put this right here and we're ready to go. So let's try it out. Okay guys, we're on the workbench and I have my NRG quick release piece right here. So we're gonna get this out of the box. So here's the piece right here, and we only need this adapter piece. This is what's on the steering column. It's already attached there, so we don't need another one of that. But this is the one here where we're gonna be mounting the steering wheel to. So we're gonna have to open this up and get some screws to go into here. Okay, so I got the wheel here, and we did 3 points of contact so it doesn't move side to side that much. And we just have to match it up with the holes that are on the adapter piece here. And I went ahead and picked up some screws right here. These are M5.8 16 millimeter screws I've just picked up at Home Depot. So we'll use that to screw it in. It's assembled, so let's take it to the car and see if it works. Alright, we got the Wii wheel right here, ready to go. Let's give it a test run. Alright, it's going. Get in the second gear. We're just gonna go around the block. There's not much traffic on my road here, so we'll see how this performs. Obviously, making turns is ridiculous because it's so small. It works as a steering wheel. It's definitely not safe though, or practical, being how small it is, having to do turns this way. Get my blinker on, let's do a turn. There we go. Let's see if we can get a parking space. So, yep, there we go. Mario Kart wheel on the Mario Kart car. I think it was a pretty fun mod. Practical? Not really, but it looks pretty awesome. So we'll be putting this on at car shows, meets, and game conventions that I bring the car to. Certainly a fun DIY. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Well guys, what did you think? The Wii wheel actually works and is functional. Is it practical? No, definitely do not try this at home. But I think this would be a great addition to add to the car when I'm at a car show, car meet, or video game convention. When I'm just showing the car off. It's parked and it looks cool. Maybe someone walks by and they're like, oh my God, The Mario Kart car actually has a Mario Kart wheel in it, and they'll ask me if I drive with it. And it sparks some conversation, so hopefully this sparks some interest in you, and maybe you want to check out other videos on the channel. You can do so right here. I have a full build of the Mario Kart car so you can see how it all came together. As always, guys, I'm RussLyman, and keep your world fun bit by bit. I'll see you next video.